In the quest for a fulfilling life enriched with health, wealth, and happiness, Great Life Worldwide's life coaching program emerges as a beacon of hope and transformation. This innovative program is not just a tool, but a comprehensive journey that I, along with my team members, have embarked upon to elevate our lives to unprecedented heights. Great Life Worldwide's life coaching program is meticulously designed to address the multifaceted nature of personal and professional growth. It's a holistic approach that goes beyond conventional coaching methods, integrating the principles of empowerment, accountability, and actionable strategies to foster sustainable change. At the core of this program is the commitment to enhancing health. Through personalized coaching, we've learned to prioritize our well-being, adopting healthier lifestyles that resonate with our individual needs. The program emphasizes the importance of mental, physical, and emotional health, guiding us to achieve balance and vitality. This focus on health is not just about preventing illness, but about thriving in every aspect of life. Wealth creation is another pillar of the Great Life Worldwide life coaching program. It equips us with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complexities of financial independence. From setting realistic financial goals to understanding the nuances of investment, the program offers a roadmap to financial prosperity. It's about making informed decisions that lead to wealth accumulation, providing us with the freedom to live our lives on our terms. Perhaps the most transformative aspect of the program is its ability to cultivate happiness and fulfillment. Through deep introspection and guided self-discovery, we've learned to align our actions with our core values and passions. The program encourages us to set meaningful goals, foster positive relationships, and engage in activities that bring joy and satisfaction. It's a journey towards finding contentment in the present while building a brighter future. The collective journey through Great Life Worldwide's life coaching program has also strengthened the bonds within our team. By sharing experiences, challenges, and successes, we've created a supportive environment that encourages growth and collaboration. This synergy not only enhances our individual journeys, but also amplifies our collective impact, driving us towards shared goals of health, wealth, and happiness. In conclusion, Great Life Worldwide's life coaching program has been a pivotal element in our pursuit of a better life. It has provided us with the tools, knowledge, and support needed to transform our dreams into reality. By focusing on health, wealth, and happiness, the program has empowered us to lead lives of purpose, fulfillment, and prosperity. It's a testament to the power of coaching and the potential within each of us to create a life of greatness.